there, TRW crew, Matt Masallo here with the RhinestoneWorld.com. So a lot of you saw my earlier video of me rhinestoning out these Adidas Ultra Boosts. I used our SS20 TRW diamond cut flatback rhinestones with our fabric tack glue from Super Tight. All of that obviously available on the website at the RhinestoneWorld.com, but what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to completely bling out the back side of this shoe right here to take this Ultra Boost shoe to the next level, and like no other Adidas shoes that I've seen out there today. So stick around, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Alright, so in this project I'm going to be using our Super Tight fabric tack or fusion tack adhesive, our applicator that you can get on the rhinestoneworld.com, and then our mini pickup tool here. So I'm going to be using a mixture of some of our SS16 and SS10 TRW diamond cut crystal rhinestones. So those are the 16s there, and then we have our mixture of the 10s here. Doesn't really matter if these get mixed up because you're always going to be mix and matching these over time. So these are the Adidas Ultra Boost that we've already done our SS20 stones in. We used 240 SS20 stones to do just the Adidas symbols there, but now we're going to take it to the next level and do the entire outside area here. So let's go ahead and get this prepped up and ready to go. Alright, so when it comes to the glues, the biggest thing is the less the better, okay? So when I come along the edge here, I'm probably obviously going to start with my SS10s and come along the side here. So I'm just putting kind of little dabs of glue along this area. And let's start with the pickup tool. So small area on the side right there to start it. So we'll start with one of our SS10s, and then we'll move quickly to one of our SS16s that'll fill that entire area. And then I'm going to come to the SS10 and probably even another SS10 in that spot. So it's just it's kind of like a puzzle. You're just going to work with the puzzle as you're kind of building it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and speed this process up so you can see the entire thing. And here is our finished product. Now in this one we used a mixture of SS16s, SS10s, and actually a few SS6s as well. So you can see how good these TRW diamond cut rhinestones look. We kept it right around the Ultra Boost area there for the logo to keep that. All the way around the back there, and then this side. Pretty amazing. Alright crew, so there you go. I just finished these shoes right here. You can see how amazing they look. Now, on the back area here, I used a mixture of the SS16, SS10, and SS6 TRW diamond cut flatback rhinestones with our fabric tack Super Tight adhesive glue. So these are shoes that you have probably not seen anywhere yet, but that's the cool thing. You now have the ability to make something like this for yourself, or obviously your customer base as well for your rhinestone business. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you do have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Number's 941-755-1696. This is Matt with the rhinestoneworld.com. You guys have a great day. Later.